Nangita ba kag smartwatch ang sulit tig-on pang gift is Christmas? Kanang dili lang pang forma, pero mudaog yun sa performance. Let me show you the new Black Shark Smartwatch series. Kasagaran sa uban nga smartwatch, dali malobat, dili klaro ang display, wala pag tawag, di pag waterproof, plus mahal pag yun, ug dili pa jud siya reliable. Pero karon, naatay upat ka models nga puro affordable, feature pack o compatible sa any smartphones. Introducing the Black Shark GT3 Neo for only 2,290. Naka IP68 water resistance ni siya. Plus na health monitoring, 7 days battery life. Pwede pa dyan siya outgoing o ingoing calls. Naka 100 plus sports mode siya. Tapos nakasupport pa dyan og Shark GPT. Perfect sa daily gamit o fitness routine. And we have the Black Shark A3 for only 2,290. In terms of durability, naka 8 water resistance plus na-update siya health monitoring. Also supports ENC noise cancelling Bluetooth calls plus 14 days battery life din siya. And also supports 120 plus sports mode. If ganahan ka og mas taas nga battery life at the same price, this is the best option. And we also have the Black Shark GS3 Sport for only 4,999. Naka-AMOLED display na siya. 5 ATM water resistance, nagya po health monitoring, and also nakasupport siya ENC noise cancelling calls. Ang naka-unique lang niya is na siya high lumen flashlight built-in sa side sa iyang relo. 120 plus sports mode yapon, mas taas ang iyang battery life with 18 days. And also naka-support siya GPS satellite positioning. And it comes with a 2-strap included in the box. And lastly, we have the Black Shark GS3 for only 4,999. If you want the smartwatch na pang rugged, 5 ATM plus IP69 water resistance. In terms of durability, naka-military grade durability na siya. Kung ganahan kag pang rugged nga relo, kani may bagay nimo. Naag ni hapoy health monitoring, ENC calls, plus supported siya Shark GPT. 21 days battery life, naka-AMOLED display na po siya. And same sa GS3 Sport na to, naka-GPS satellite positioning yapon siya, 100 plus sports modes. If gusto nimo ang pinaka-durable o long-lasting sa whole lineup, this is the beast. This Christmas, why not give a gift na useful, durable o high-tech? Something na makatabang sa health monitoring, sports tracking, o daily communications. A smartwatch that upgrades your lifestyle without breaking the bank. So kung ready na ka mo upgrade or nangita kang pang-regalo nga sulit, durable o affordable, pili na sa among Black Shark Smartwatch series. Available only at Junrex SMC Sides booth. So kung nakakay mga pangutana, please message us so we can assist you.